Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to fix Snapchat camera problem. So let's head over to your Snapchat application first. So once you're there, if you find any problem in your Snapchat camera, like your filters not working or something that is worrying you with your Snapchat, so what you can do is get out of your Snapchat, just head over to your Play Store, search for Snapchat. So if you head over there and if there is any update, you will see this there is a update button in right the place of the open button. So make sure you install the update and use your Snapchat. So if this solves your problem, then you're good to go. But if it doesn't, you can always uninstall and install Snapchat again. S- So yeah, this is the two ways you can fix your Snapchat camera problem. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.